Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you my personal selection of essential Visual Studio Code extensions for beginner web developer. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your coding environment, these extensions are game changers that will elevate your web development experience. Each extension has been carefully chosen to unlock your full potential as a web developer. So, without further ado, let's get started. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey into the world of programming and web design. I hope you found my tutorials both informative and engaging. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of programming and technology together. Don't forget to share your thoughts, questions, and feedbacks in the comment section below, share to help others discover our community, and subscribe to stay updated on my latest tutorials and be the first to know about new content. See you next video.